Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the HIFIT 79-inch modern living room faux leather sofa couch. This is available in two options. There's a light beige and a brown. We have the light beige version here. If you're interested in either option, the link will be in the video description. Take a look at the retail box and packaging. This thing is massive. Now let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so we really do have a couch in a box. Let's get it out. All right, so here's all the parts and components out of the box, and it's great to see that everything's individually wrapped to protect the couch and your cushions and the fabric during the shipping process. So we got our cushions right there. This looks like it's gonna be the back. That's gonna be the main base where all of the legs will be fastened into. Another piece right there. And then our box full of hardware. Let's open that up. All right, here's everything in the hardware kit. We have all of our hardware right here labeled for us, A to F. And then we have 5 legs for the couch. And we have our instruction manual. Now let's go ahead and get this set up. Important. These pieces, the armrests right here, are actually stored during shipment underneath here. There's a Velcro back underneath there that will give you access to these. So you're not missing the armrests. They're just stored in the base of the couch to fit everything in the box. It looks so good. I'm blown away with how good it looks. Wasn't too certain about everything, but after seeing it all fully assembled, it looks great. So it'll take you at least 45 minutes to get everything up and running, depending on how fast you are with projects like this and assembling any sort of furniture. Up close, hopefully you can see the detail, get a feel for the color. The 2 cushions on the back are removable, just Velcro, keeps them in place. See the back side. You can see this piece that we slide in here, about how far down it is. Gap-wise, it looks pretty good on both sides. I was being really critical for all of that. Happy with the results there. You can see the side pillows there. You can see it from the side right here. There it is, expand it out. Get a feel for underneath as well too, how high up it sits, how the legs look. We got that middle support leg as well too that you can adjust out. So in our case, by default, it's not even touching the rug yet, so we have to loosen that a little bit. Just the very bottom is free moving. You can tighten it in or out. So just like this, we can loosen that down to get it where it needs to be for where it's sitting in our environment. And this is half on and half off a rug. So that's why it's gonna be a little bit different. And it's great that we have that adjustment option. So that's what we're dealing with right here. And now we have it where it needs to be. Soak it all in though, take a good look at the couch. If you're wondering about how it feels, the back cushions are really soft and have a lot of give, whereas the bottom cushions are very, very firm. So comfort-wise, I'd say it's more of a decorative piece than your 24/7 lounging piece of furniture. But really, that's gonna be up to you. And lastly, friendly reminder, if you're not happy with this color, the beige option, they do still have your brown option too if you prefer.